Hey, it's Clint. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this website in 10 minutes for just $1. And at the very end of this video, I'll show you how you can find thousands of free designs that you can use for your website. We're going to use Jackrabbit to create our website because it's much faster than other hosts. It comes with all of the software we need to create a website. If you refer to, it's free, and all you need is $1 to get started. So to get started, scroll down to the domain bar and choose a new domain. Make sure that it's simple so that people can remember it. You can choose from hundreds of TLDs. Keep in mind that the $1 discount only works with .com, .net, .biz, .org, or .info. So I'm just going to use .com for this example, and then click on Search Domain. Make sure the Register a New Domain is checked and click Continue. If your domain is unavailable, click on the X to choose a new domain. Since mine's available, I'm going to click Continue. For setup, we're going to choose WordPress, choose a username and password, leave the directory blank, then click Continue. If you would like domain privacy, you can check this bubble. I'm going to leave it unchecked in this example and click Continue. And now we're going to take our total down to $1. So scroll down to the promotional code box and enter $1 with no spaces. Click on Validate Code, and you can see our total is now $1. Scroll down, fill in all your details. Make sure you check I have read and agreed to the terms of service, and then click on Checkout. I'm going to do this while I pause the video. If you'd like to follow along, you can go ahead and do the same. After you get the order confirmation, it may take a few minutes for your website to become live. To check on your website, simply go to it by putting your website in the address bar. And you can see my website is now live. So next I'm going to show you how to change the title of your website, the tagline, the sidebar. I'll show you how to add pages and posts, and I'll show you how to change the entire design of your website. So to edit your website, go to your domain name /wp-admin. And that will take you to your website's login panel. Make sure you bookmark this page, and then we're going to log in with the username and password that we created earlier. And that will take you to your WordPress dashboard. The first thing we'll do is edit our title and our tagline. So to do that, go to Settings in the sidebar and then click on General. My website title is Make a Site in Minutes. And my tagline will be the easiest way to build a website. Make sure that your primary email address is correct, then scroll down and click on Save Changes. Next, I'm going to show you how to change the design of your website. So in the sidebar, hover over Appearance, then click on Themes. By default, the 2015 theme is active. We're going to add a new theme, so at the very top, click on the Add New button. And here you can browse through hundreds of free themes. I'm going to click on Popular and choose the Serif theme. Once you find the theme you like, click on the Install button, then click on Activate to activate that theme. To view our website, we're going to click on our website title in the top left. And this is the website that we've just created. Every theme comes with different options, so keep that in mind. I'm going to edit the logo. So to do that, I'm going to click on the Customize link at the top. And in the sidebar, I'm going to click on General Options. Then I'll click on General. Then I'll select an image from my computer. I'll find the logo that I created earlier. I'll open it. And I'll click on Choose Image. And there's my new logo. Next, I'll show you how to change the headline of this theme. So to do that, I'm going to go back to my theme options. I'll click on the big title section, and for the title, I'll put Make this website in 10 minutes for $1. And if I go back to my themes options, you can see that I can edit each part of my website by selecting any of these in the sidebar. Every theme comes with different options. Next, I'll click on Save and Publish to make my changes live. And now I'll show you how to create pages for your website. So to do that, we're going to click on our website title in the top left to take us back to our dashboard. We're going to click on Pages in the sidebar, and we're going to edit the default sample page. I'm going to call this page About Us. And then I'm going to paste some placeholder text that I've copied earlier. And of course, on the About Us page, I'm going to write a little bit about the website. Here at the top you can see different formatting options. I'm going to go ahead and link this text. So I'm going to click on the link button and I'm going to put the URL that I would like to link the text to. Then I'll click on add link. Next I'm going to show you how to add a picture. So put your cursor where you would like your picture to go and then click on add media. And then I'm going to upload a picture from my computer. Once I find the picture, I'll click on open. And then I'll click on insert into post in the bottom right. If you click on the picture, you'll see different formatting options. I'm going to go ahead and align this picture to the right. Then I'll click on update to make my changes live. And to view the website, I'll click on the title in the top left. And here is my new About Us page. Next, I'll show you how to create a contact page. So we're going to go back to our WordPress dashboard. And in the sidebar, we're going to click on plugins. Here you can see that we have two different plugins that have been installed by default. We're going to go ahead and add a new plugin. And we're going to search for Contact Form 7. Once you find it, click on the Install Now button. And then we're going to activate the plugin. In the sidebar, you'll see the new contact link. We're going to click on that. And here's our new contact form. So we're going to copy the shortcode next to our contact form. We're going to go to Pages, and we're going to create a new page by clicking on Add New. And I'm going to call this page Contact Us. Next, I'm going to add some contact information about my company. And then I'll paste the shortcode that I copied earlier. And I'll click on Publish to make my changes live. I'm going to go ahead and preview my website. And here you can see the Contact Us page. And this is the contact page that we've just created. Next, I'll show you how to edit your menu at the top. So to do that, we're going to go back to our WordPress dashboard. And in the sidebar, we're going to hover over Appearance and select Menus from the drop-down. And here's the menu that WordPress has created for us. It has not been saved yet, so in order to save it, we first need to create it. So click on Create Menu, and we're going to select Primary Menu, and then we're going to click on Save Menu once more. And you can see that we have different menu items here. We can rearrange these menu items and click on Save Menu, and if you go back to preview your website, you'll see that the order of the menu items have changed. Now we have a Home, a Contact Us, and About Us. So next I'll show you how to add a blog to this menu. So we're going to go to Pages and select Add New. And I'm going to call this page Blog. And for the blog you can leave the text field empty. And in the right hand sidebar select the blog template. And I'll click on Publish to make my changes live. And now we're going to create some posts for our blog. So in the left hand sidebar click on Posts. And we're going to edit the default Hello World post. I'm going to call this post My First Post. And I'm just going to paste the placeholder text that I copied earlier. And I'm going to click on Update to make my changes live. Now I'm going to add a new post by clicking on the Add New button at the top. I'm going to call this post My Second Post. I'll paste my placeholder text and I'll click on Publish to make my changes live. And then we're going to go back to Appearance and Menus. And here you can see that the blog has been added to our most recent pages. We're going to check Blog and click on Add to Menu. And that's going to add the blog to the end of our menu. So we're going to put this blog right after the home link in our menu. And if you wanted to remove something from the menu, you can click on the Remove button. We're going to keep it as it is and click on Save Menu. And then let's preview our website. And here is our new blog page. You can see that the most recent post is at the top. And here are our other menu items. Next, I'll show you how to change the sidebar. So we're going to go back to our WordPress dashboard, hover over Appearance, and click on Widgets. And these are our sidebar widgets that come installed by default. We're going to go ahead and drag and drop these widgets out of the sidebar. And then we're going to find the widgets we want and drag them into the sidebar. So I'll put Search, Pages, Recent Posts, and a calendar. Once you're done dragging and dropping, it'll automatically save. So we're going to preview our website, and I'll click on blog so you can see the sidebar. And here's our new sidebar. We have the search widget at the top, pages, recent posts, and our calendar. So that's how to create a website. Next, I'm going to show you how to find thousands of free designs that you can use for your website. So to do that, go to Google and type in free WordPress themes, and then click on images. And that'll bring back a list of thousands of free designs that you can use for your site. Once you find a theme you like, click on it, visit the page, scroll down until you find the theme that you like, click on the download button and save it as a zip file to your computer and do not unzip it. Go back to your WordPress dashboard, hover over Appearance and click on Themes, click on Add New, then Upload Theme, then choose the zip file from your computer. Open it and click on Install Now. Once it's installed, click on Activate, and then let's preview our website. And this is the website that we've just created. This theme features the blog on the home page. At the very top, we have the menu items that we created earlier. In the sidebar, we have the search, the pages, the recent posts, and the calendar. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you learned something, please hit like. Thanks a lot for watching, and have fun with your new website.